Just as completing a needs analysis is crucial at the front end of training, doing a follow-up for evaluating training is just as important. It can guide the insights into how successful the training was, identify needs for future training, and also gauge participant satisfaction. So here you can see an example of a survey where the participants can follow up with how successful they thought the training was across a variety of categories, as well as gauging their satisfaction for a number of categories as well. And finally here we can also see it's important to get suggestions as far as future training straight from the participants. And here it's also concretely down to the lessons activities that participants might create on their own and support they might need. And then here's just a brief sample of some of the results of this survey, where the green and the gold are indicating satisfaction with the various topics. So getting feedback about the presenter, hands-on time, encouraging questions, the lessons themselves, the equipment that was included, online resources, and the overall satisfaction.